Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you check your IMEI number in your Poco phone. Guys, you want to check your IMEI number in your Poco phone. So friends, you can check, and guys now let's see how to check IMEI number in our Poco phone. In this video guys, I will show you guys. So guys, first of all open your phone setting to check your IMEI number. So friends, you can see guys this type of settings. So guys, what you have to do to check your IMEI number? So guys, you will have to guys click on guys your first one setting about phone. So I we will click here. Then guys click on this all setting here or spaces, and after that guys scroll it again. Guys you can see your status setting. So guys tap here and guys scroll. Then guys you can see IMEI number one, IMEI number SIM sold to. So guys you can check your IMEI number here guys in your Poco phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to check IMEI number in our Poco phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.